I haven't done a video in like a couple weeks, which is kind of a lie because I've made like 3 and they were just really boring and like not really good content, I guess. See if I can break traction. Anyways, I haven't made a video in a while and I really feel like I got to, because I don't know, just because. So yeah, like I've got some pretty cool stuff happening right now. I'm currently waiting on a easy pull clutch lever from Impact Tech, and it will be a mystery clutch lever, so I don't know what color it's going to be, I don't know what size it's going to be. I'm pretty sure it's in the mail tomorrow too, so I'll definitely make a video with that. So I honestly don't know if I need gas or not. I'm running so late for work. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to get this clutch lever in. The whole thing's basically, I'm gonna build a stunt bike. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna build this bike into a stunt bike. I'm really leaning towards buying like a Project 636. There was one online, but I decided against it, and I'm gonna wait a little bit into the off season before I jump on something. But at worst, I'm at least gonna cage this thing fully this off season if I don't buy a 636. Funny thing is, 636 has been my favorite 600 bike for a long time, even before I was into stunting and whatnot, or into the idea of learning how to stunt, I should say. I knew I saw a biker coming up behind me. I know this guy. What up?
I thought of
you. Yeah, so linking up with my boy. Apparently, he's coming with me to work. So this kid always wanted to race me because he just got this Yamaha MT-09 and he wants to see if it's faster than a 600. Which is why I'm riding kind of like right now. The insurance here is nuts. So it's like the closest thing he could actually get insurance on that's closest to a sport bike. Alright, so I really thought I needed gas, and then I ran into this guy, so I'm kind of just watching my bike, praying that it doesn't need gas any minute. So there's that. Just sends it through that red light. I'm coming, don't worry. Yeah, me too.